bakithi abanye bathi akamshiya uNhloso, abanye bathi akahlalela umshado wakhe, but inhliziyo kaNhloso inodinhle. uMadlomo uzovela aweke sene-conversation-ke nodinhle-ke bese phuthunyiswa-ke esibhedlela. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life Chain. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on e.tv Scandal from the 12th to the 16th of May 2025 on Monday. Incompetence to deceive, 13 in Interplane. A verbal argument turned into a physical collapse. Toriso is highly suspicious of her mother-in-law's actions on Tuesday. Some days with wish is granted by his blind to the web of the sea tightening around him. Mathubela tried her best to persuade Madlomo, but to no avail on Wednesday. Talita urges Kgopolo to intervene if a stranger takes advantage of his brother. A desperate situation leaves Gediboni contemplating another terrible deception on Thursday. Mthunzi realizes that someday Semide lied to his face and turned on the closest to him. Dintle gifted a young girl with an expensive present, not thinking of the consequences on Friday. Despite increasing pressure, Samide frustrates Mthunzi by slowing things down. Lihle makes a shocking discovery. Poet walks into a conversation, leaving Kedeboni no way out. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.